Morning children, as we have completed Unit 6 of 8th class, that is reflection of light through plane surface. Let me go into the examination pattern, annual examination pattern, how it would be. First thing is first thing is what? We will be having 4 different blocks. In part A we will be having 3 blocks, as well as in part B we will be having 1 block. Coming to part A, first block is what? Answer the following questions. Within this, each question carries 1 mark. No internal choice. They will be asking 7 questions. We have to write 7 questions within that. Each question carries 1 mark. That is, first block, that is what? Answer the following questions. We can call this bit as what? Very short answers questions also we can call it up. Next one is what? Second bit, second block. That is, answer the following questions. Here they will be asking 6 questions. We have to answer 6 questions. No internal choice. Each question carries 2 marks. Therefore, 6 2s are 12 marks will be there. Coming to these 2 questions, second question is called as what? Short answers questions. We can give it up. Coming to third bit, answer the following questions. Within this, how many questions they will ask means what? We have to attempt 4 questions. For each question there will be internal choice. And each question carries 4 marks. 4 4s are 16 marks. So totally if I am adding 7 plus 12 plus 16, I will get 35 marks. That is, part A consisting of 35 marks. Total our annual examination pattern consisting of 40 marks question paper. Whereas in 7th class, you have written 80 marks question paper in which physical science as well as biological science together. They used to call it as nothing but what? General science. And total examination pattern for used to be of 80 marks. But whereas here, as physical science as well as biological science has been segregated or separated, they will be giving separate papers for us. For physical science 40 marks paper, for biological science 40 marks paper they will be allotted. So that 40 plus 40 together is equal to 80 marks. So that is third bit we can give it up. If you go for this 40 marks pattern, I said first bit, second bit, third bit. Part A consisting of how many marks? 35 marks it will be get existing. When it comes to part B, 1 bit will be there itself, that is multiple choice questions. They will be giving how many bits? 10 bits they will be giving, each bit consisting of a mark of half mark. 10 into half is equal to 5 marks. 5 plus 35 total marks is how much? 40 marks. This is our examination pattern, annual examination pattern, children. So, now let me come into the concept of our chapter, that is what that we have completed, Unit 6, reflection of light through plane surface. Within this chapter also, let me prepare for exam in such a way that of annual examination pattern. If you prepare for each chapter in the form of annual examination pattern, easily you can get a good marks. We have to prepare for each chapter based upon the pattern of annual examination. If you prepare, we can secure excellent marks as well as we can grasp maximum concept there itself. Coming to this particular examination pattern, if you are going for unit 6, that is reflection of light through plane surface, which concept we have to study more? A lot of concentration on which if you keep, will get good marks. That particular point we have to analyze. If you observe here carefully, which is having highest mark, just check it out. We know that the third bit is having highest mark. Each question carry 4 marks. And I said that there will be having what choice? Internal choice. Means what? 4 marks. We are writing 4 marks for each question. Will be having internal choice. Therefore, total 8 questions they will be asked. From that 8 questions, we have to write how many questions? 4 questions. Just imagine once. If you are reading all 8 topics, 8 questions, which is capable of giving 8 questions in the form of 4 marks. If you are reading those all topics, obviously you can get 1 mark question you can attempt to some extent, 2 marks question to some extent you can attempt. Not only that one, 16 marks you can attempt. 50% of 1 mark question, 50% of 2 marks question, plus 16 marks. 16 plus 50 means what? 16 plus 6, 22. 22 plus 3. You take it up as about 25 marks, you can secure it up easily out of 35. More 10 marks we have to prepare very well. So I am going to give it answer the following question, that is of essay type questions we can give it up. This is called as very short answers, very short questions. Short questions what we have to answer. This is essay questions what we have to answer. If we go to our chapter of reflection of light through plane surface, we are having there itself what 4 marks questions are going there itself. That 4 mark questions consisting of what? 8 questions I am giving in front of you. I am segregating the total chapter. I am counting total chapter within these 8 questions. Maximum of percentage of how much? 95% I am covering by these questions total chapter. First question is what? All definitions. In general introduction, I have given definitions such as sources of light. Luminous sources are there, as well as non-luminous sources are there. Man-made sources are there. Within that man-made source also, hot body sources, cold body sources are there. If you read those all things, you can attempt, if he is asking that question in 4 marks, you can attempt that question, not only that one, in 1 mark question as well as in 2 mark question. If he asks from sources of light, you can easily attempt it. Therefore, sources of light we have to concentrate. Second one is what? Medium. To propagate light, there is no need of medium, but to study the characteristics of light, we are allowing that light ray to pass through various mediums, such as transparent medium, transparent medium, opaque medium, homogeneous medium, heterogeneous medium. 5 mediums are there. If you are studying, if we are knowing about these 5 mediums clearly, easily you can write up this particular topic for medium for 4 marks questions. Not only that one, from this, if we ask for 1 mark, we can attempt it up. If we ask for 2 marks, we can attempt it up easily. Similarly, reflection of light. Reflection of light consisting of what? 2 types of reflections are there. Regular reflection is there, irregular reflection is there. Diagrammatically, if we have to explain clearly, each reflection, regular reflection consisting of 2 marks, irregular reflection consisting of 2 marks. 2 plus 2 is equal to how many marks? 4 marks. Diagrammatically, if we are representing, we can do it up easily there. Not only that, but individually, if we ask for regular reflection, define regular reflection with diagrammatically 2 marks. What is meant by irregular reflection? For 1 mark, individually, draw a diagram of irregular reflection. In that way, he may ask for 1 mark as well as 2 marks. In that way also we can secure marks. That is nothing but our first question what I have given for you. If you concentrate on all introductory part, etc., we can easily attempt that particular question. Coming to second question, that is what? Verification of laws of reflection. Lab activity is existing. That lab activity, if you study well, if you analyze the concept very well, easily you can do it up. Aim. Main aim is what? To verify laws of reflection. Coming to what? Case work. Material required. What are the material we required? Thermocol sheet or cardboard, as well as we can give it as a what? We can take it up all the different things which are required there itself. And case 1, angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection. Case 2, angle of incident, incident ray, reflected ray, normal ray exist in same plane. If you write about the concept, we can complete this verification of laws of reflection. Coming to next question, that is determine how image formed by point object. How an image in plane mirrors, two types of images are forming by using point object, by using an object of certain height. Those two questions you may ask diagrammatically if you ask to represent. If you are writing for diagram, it will be having 1.5 marks, as well as for the concept total will be having 2.5 marks total. 4 marks question will be there. These two questions gives about what? Object and point object in a plane mirror, as well as of object of certain height. Therefore, those two concepts directly if you read perfectly, you can attempt 4 marks there. 4 plus 4. Next one is what? Determine how image is formed by pinhole camera. First activity we are in the pinhole camera. Through pinhole camera, how image will be get formed. That particular concept we can explain diagrammatically. Simultaneously, say if pinhole is made little bit enlarged, the hole is little bit enlarged, what type of image will be formed, how the reflection of lights will be taken place, that concept, and how the image formed. But also you can, if you study these two concepts, will give us clearly 4 marks there. 4 marks each. For a pinhole camera, diagrammatically representing, you will get a concept at 4 marks, as well as the hole is made a little bit large, how image will be get formed. We know that blurred image will be formed. What is the reason for that particular blurred image? Means what? Each and every point on that part of the source will act as nothing but what source. There will be the multiple reflections incident at intersect at different locations on the screen. Due to that reason, blurred image will be formed regarding water as a pinhole is made a little bit enlarged. Next question is what? Light chooses shortest path. A smart probe. As it is picking up grains, we had an activity that one. Based upon that activity, he asked, determine the concept of light chooses shortest path within least time from A to B. That is smart probe activity. That is directly may ask, explain the concept of smart probe activity. How light chooses a shortest path based upon the concept. For 4 marks, they will ask it up. That question also you have to be concentrate a lot. Not only that one more question is there, definitions of laws of reflection. So many definitions are there within that. Angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection, one law. Simultaneous incident ray, reflected ray, as well as normal ray exist in same plane, that is second definition. What is incident ray? What is reflected ray? What is normal ray? What is point of incidence? What is angle of incidence? What is angle of reflection? What is glazing angle of incidence? What is glazing angle of reflection? If you study these all concepts, definitions within laws of reflection, easily you can attempt, you can get marks there itself. By this, maximum 90% of chapter we have covered within these questions. So children, prepare for exam in such a way that when you are preparing, don't simply go for very small answers or that I'll complete those all things. No, not like that. Think it up. What topics if I study, I can cover total chapter. That means what? Major marks is what? 4 marks means what? Maximum 90% we are covering total chapter. Remaining 5% is the 95% we are covering it up. What are those 5%? Let me give it up. One is lateral inversion process or method. That one we are missing it up. That question he may ask for 2 marks. Only one question we are missing it up. for 2 marks question. That is what lateral inversion process. Not only that, but activity 3. If I am placing a mirror strip at different positions on objects, how image will be get caught? That is an activity which is given in a textbook to analyze how image can be get obtained. That cannot be asked in examination period directly. To make us to understand the reflection concept, that activity is given. So, if you concentrate on all these questions, what I have given is 8 questions. 100%, I am assuring that you can secure 100% marks. Not only that one, in higher order thinking, one problem is there. I explained clearly in class for you. That problem can also be asked for 4 marks question. That is 9th question you can give it up. If you concentrate on all these questions, easily you can secure marks so that you can be well prepared for exam by concentrating on these all questions. If you revise thoroughly, you observe the concept once again. Revise twice. Regularly watch the YouTube videos so that twice and try to analyze the concept. As we are analyzing the concept, you can secure marks. All the best for exam. Prepare well and write well.